Two texts framed as a disagreement. The question asks what both authors would accept. That is a different question from who is right. Underline what each author states as fact. Text 1 says the roof surface runs cooler. Text 2 says the same thing, then argues the cooling does not reach the street. The dispute is about how far it travels, not whether the roof cools. A is the sentence both authors would sign. Two traps. The strongest sentence from one text, which the other author never accepts. And a call to action neither one makes. Text 2 never says stop building them. Find the fact both authors state. Agreement lives underneath the argument.